Hi, I'm Kat from Utah. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Chevy Colorado, you're going to need trailer wiring installed. It is required by law. Let's go ahead and break that down. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. All right, guys, we are on the driver's side. We are going to locate our taillight connector right here on the cross member. We are going to disconnect it. From there, we are going to take our trailer wiring and using the T-connector, connect it in. Next, we're going to secure our ground wire with our provided self-tapping screw. All right, we're going to pull our 4-flat wiring just above our hitch. We are going to use a 4-flat mounting bracket with our provided self-tapping screws. All right, we're then going to pull our 4-flat wiring through. And there you go. And now that we've got our bracket mounted, we are going to clean up the slack using a couple zip ties. Now that we've installed your wiring, you are ready to tow a trailer. And again, I am Kat, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.